Hello everyone, this is Professor Aishi. I am Area Chair of Marketing and School of Management. Today I'm going to talk about the evolving landscape of marketing. So marketing today is no longer about pushing messages. It's about building meaningful, adaptive connections. First, the marketing has moved from broadcasting to conversations. Now brands can no longer just speak, they have to listen and they have to engage with their customers. Consumers, they expect interactions but not interruptions, and the brands who are actively doing this, they are giving a mark in the minds of the consumers today. Second, India is not at all a homogeneous market. The regional markets are becoming a powerful growth engines. If you talk about only the South Indian market, they spend about 50,000 crores of the total ad spends in India. So, the brands must localize, they must translate, they must craft the narratives which resonate deeply with the regional identities. Thirdly, the media space is rapidly converging with the rise of the OTTs and the connected TV, the mobile, the digital platforms. The consumer attention is spread across multiple screens. So now brands have to come up with the ideas where they can integrate with this seamless integration of their strategies to reach the consumers at their desired touch point. Then fourth, the brand building now, it is moving away from the traditional advertising and it is moving more into the partnerships and and developing a healthy ecosystems. So collaborations with creators, collaboration with platforms, collaboration with other brands, that has become very, very important for the brands to grow in today's time. Finally, there is a very, very important shift which is happening towards the experience driven consumption. Now consumers, they really value the shared and the memorable experience rather than just the product ownership. So this pushes brands to think beyond what they want to sell and how they can focus on the experience they enable. So to sum up, marketing today, it has become more conversational, more regional, more integrated, and more experience-led, and which is a complete departure from the traditional form of marketing.